Welcome, today in front of me VIVO X80 Pro, and I'll show you how to change icon shape on this device. So first we should get the X icon changer application from the Play Store. That's why let's launch the Play Store first. And then here in the search pool, let's enter the X icon changer app. Now we should get this application. That's why just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open and click here to continue to app. Now we can see here all the available applications, which icons we can change. For example, let's use the phone application. Here we can rename this icon if you want, but I don't wanna do that. Then just here we can see the library with different icons. Here we can select them. Also, if you want, you can use the photo from your device gallery, or just to take a picture on camera on your device. For example, I'll use this icon with the phone one. Then just tap to OK on the right upper corner. Wait a second or just a couple of seconds to skip the ads. And now just here, tap here to add automatically. We can go to desktop or to change the next icon by the same way. Just select the icon, select the application, just select the icon and tap to OK. And let's just go here to the home screen, and we can see the difference between our phone icon, the new one, and the regular one, the default. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.